We're smoking. The League Gunner has told you lot for long enough. It's a top 4 race pack. At least reality's kicked in, guys. At least reality has kicked in. When I was being told, oh, you've just got an agenda. You got an agenda. I told you in July, it's a top 4 race. But injuries. Nobody cares. Our manager, oh, we had 7 players. I see them all in the lane, guys. Yeah, guess what? You've injured Timber now as well, ain't you, you prat? Because you threw him back on for 12 minutes the other night when he was clearly injured. You're playing Ben White, who's clearly injured. You put a whole starting 11 out, which was our best 11 other than probably Timber. Let's just be real with it. You can argue 29 if you want. And we had Thomas Partey back, which is kind of cool. Because, I mean, that's the reason we didn't beat PSG, isn't it? We didn't beat PSG because we missed Thomas Partey. Well, last time I checked, yeah, PSG's midfield's better than Bournemouth's. So what happened there then? Last time we played Bournemouth, we lost, and that was the referee and PGMOL's fault. I mean, Flowers told us, didn't he? There's a conspiracy. They admit they're wrong. PGMOL lies exposed. Really? Well, Saliba played the whole game today, so what's the excuse today then? Make sure you sub to Lee Reacts. I always forget to put the link in the title, but if it is in the title, make sure you sub. Currently watching Barcelona 1-0 down to Valladolid. Yes, Valladolid. And Valladolid are still attacking, which is kind of crazy. Why don't you just accept your fate? I didn't think that was allowed. You're 1-0 up against the best team in the league. Just bend over, innit? Oh, you won't. Okay, cool. Don't worry, though, guys, because all roads lead to PSG. Are we PSG ready? They lost today to Salzburg. However, they're still 20 points clear in their title win. 20 points clear. They only played one of their first team players as well, or one of their first starters. And that was Neves, João Neves. And he got subbed. So, yeah, it's going to be a long night on Wednesday. Fans walking out on 79 minutes. Wow, back your manager. What happened? Big boos in the stadium. Wow. Fans fighting in the stadium. The end is nigh, mate, I'm telling you. The end is nigh. 2024 was the year of the truth. 2025 is the year of the demise. And this manager has been winging it for over 5 years. This captain. But he got an assist. Nobody cares, bro. It was a straight pass. Well, just off straight. Yeah, Declan Rice made that goal. Well, obviously, he did score the goal. However, that wasn't the best pass in the world. It was a good pass, but it weren't something spectacular. Well, we're now gassing up one pass in a game. The guy is rubbish. Skipping around, giving it all the hair flicks and all that. Yeah, he literally trips over the ball on the edge of the box. What? Trips over the ball on the edge of the box. Are you taking the mick? Are you actually taking the mick? This guy is marking Evan Nielsen on a corner. I mean, if I've ever seen a mismatch, that's it right there. And when the corner's whipped in, he's salsa dancing with Evan Nielsen. Let's go dancing. Come on. Let's go dancing. Come on, baby. Let's go dancing. Dance with me. Come on, let's go. And then he gets done. And our goalkeeper. In fact, let's down on the guy for a second. But he's had a baby. He's had a baby. He's the first man ever to have a baby, guys. I mean, it's a miracle. I mean, who knew? I mean, the guy's been up breastfeeding all night. Maybe that's why he looks so fucking worn out. I don't know. Maybe that's what it is. Oh, but he's not fully recovered from his injury. Why is he playing him? But there's always an excuse for this captain. There's always an excuse for this manager. And they go hand in hand. They're like a glove. Like a glove. It's his captain. And if he dares to drop the captain, dares to take the armband off of him, that means he's accepted that he's fucked up, which he won't do because he's a narcissistic piece of shit, which is cool if you keep winning. However, this guy doesn't keep winning. 7 wins out of the last 17 games since we slapped Man City 5-1. But don't worry, guys. We beat Real Madrid, so it's all done. Does anyone know? Leave it in the comments section, guys. Does anyone know when the trophy parade is for the victory against Madrid? Does anyone know? I genuinely don't know, guys. It's kind of mad. Man City actually have more wins than us this season, which is wow. They went 1 in 13 at one point. But don't worry, guys. We've conceded 31 goals this season, which is regression from last season. We conceded 29 last year. But don't worry, Gabriel's been out. Cool. Gabriel's been out. Well done. Well done. Nobody cares. Not only that, we've got less points. We've got one loss less than last season, and we've got Liverpool and Newcastle next. Funny old game, isn't it? Wow. But don't worry, Lee's got an agenda. Lee has an agenda. Yeah, my agenda is I'm sick of bullshit. Yeah, I'm sick of this fan base chatting absolute garbage. Don't worry though, guys. We're London champions because we've got the best record against London teams this season. What a record, mate. Well done. We've also got the best record against the Big Six, apparently, because Super Duper Mick has made us tougher to beat. So now, instead of getting slapped by the Big Six teams, 1-1, Northside's just scored. Why aren't you shamelessly celebrating and shushing and knee sliding into the crowd? Well, that's what you're supposed to give it karma, and I thought that's what you're supposed to do in an equaliser, guys. No? Oh, okay. Oh, that's only in England. It's just done that and run back to the halfway line. Cool. We have 13 draws this season. Man City are in a cup final and have more wins than us. Might actually be offside. I think Arejo might have been offside when they're checking. But anyway, my point is, Man City went 1 in 13 and they've got more wins than us. They've had mad injuries. Rodri, the Ballon d'Or winner. Oscar Bob, Akanji, John Stones, Erling Haaland, the most prolific striker in the league. Oh dear. Have I missed anyone? Akanji? Who else has been out? Foden was out for a little bit. Cool. But don't worry, guys. Don't worry, guys. There's nobody better in world football that can do better than this manager. And big up to Ivan Toney. He won the trophy today. He won the Asian equivalent of their Champions League. The Champions League. He's won that today, guys. Bobby Firmino has won a Champions League today. Riyad Mahrez FC, Galeno, Market Opportunity FC have won an Asian Champions League today. But it's an Asian. You can't compare that. Cool. Can somebody please explain to me where we signed Arsene Wenger from? Because football is the same in every country, guys. It might just be a different level in terms of quality. However, the premise is still the same. Put the ball in this net, guys, as many times as you can, guys. Keep the ball out of this net. Please, guys. Get the most wins in the season, guys. Get the most points in the season, guys. And at the end of the season, you win a trophy, guys. The rest of them lost. And then you start again, guys, the next season. In a cup competition, guys, make sure you get to the final. Well, they did. Invincible. The whole campaign. Undefeated. And the team they beat in the final, by the way, knocked Ronaldo FC out yesterday. Or, well, a couple of days ago. Funny old game, isn't it? I mean, Ivan Toney, apparently he's got an attitude problem. That's why we didn't sign him. I mean, Bobby Firmino was free. Galeno was 40 million. But they're on mad wages. Nobody cares. How much are these dickheads on? Not these dickheads, they're proper players. How much are these idiots on walking around tranquilized around that pitch today? And we see this against Crystal Palace last week. Walking around, fast, don't want to get injured for the PSG game. Yeah, and then concede in 3 minutes and then walk around tranquilized again. And they've done the same today. It's going well, isn't it? It's going really well, guys. This is 5 years deep process. Yeah, the process is not processing, guys. The process has finished. And so is this manager at our club. Yeah. Bye-bye. Ta-ta. You're gone. The only saving grace is he has a game on Wednesday. But let's be real. Even if we win that game and get to the final, Barcelona or Inter are beating us. So, again, here's what it is. But don't worry, guys. We've got a good record against the top six. This fan base are just happy that we're not getting banged 6-0, 8-2, 6-3, stuff like that. Absolute shambles. But don't worry, we've got a good record against the London teams. What's our record against West Ham, Newcastle, Bournemouth? They've done a double over us. What's our record against Fulham? Anyone know that? Oh, cool. But at least we ain't getting slapped 6-0 or 8-2. Don't worry. Don't worry, guys. Yeah, we're now sat here with Man United pretty much in a final, Tottenham pretty much in a final, although if there is one club on the planet that can bottle that, it is them. But we all know Man United are going to end up winning a trophy this season, because if they get there, which they look like they have, they will win it. But they finished 16th. No fucking cunt cares about fucking 16th. Nobody cares. You win the same for 2nd and 16th. Oh, but it qualifies you into the Champions League. And what? We're not going to win it, so who cares? You've just wasted everyone's time again, and that's now used as an excuse because of injuries to now fuck up the league. Cheers, mate. Round and around and around and around we go. Shout out man like Turkish. It's a roundabout, bruv. Yeah? Get out of it, man. I am absolutely sick to death of this football club, this manager, this fan base. And listen, I know a lot of people who were at the game today. There were people beating each other up in the ground, fingering, Arteta in, Arteta out, fighting each other in the stadium. Yeah, loud boos at full time. The end is nigh, mate. You better win that Champions League or ta-ta. Bye-bye. Don't care. I'm out. Kenny next. Jez, Matty, emergency meeting. Get out.